Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will teach you how to make a flapping bird. You can make this. It will flap smaller like this and smaller like this or small like this. It cannot flap its wing because it's too small. So now I will teach you how to make the flapping bird. You will need a paper and you fold it. Here you will need a square paper. You make like this, then you cut this excess paper. Now you will have this paper. Then you open it. You will have a line here. Then you will fold this paper in half. You open it, then you will have this line and this line. Then you rotate it and fold this paper in half. Then you will have this line and two of this. Then you will fold this paper into a triangle on the line. Then you open this, then tuck this inside it to make a square. It's a little tricky. Okay, then you do on the left too. Then you will have a paper like this. Then you will take this paper and fold it like this, and you will do it three sides of it too. Now you will have this paper, then you will fold it like it. Fold the triangle here. Then you fold back here. Then you put it up. Then you need to put two of these here. Put it here. And then make a crease. Then you will put it back. Then put these back too. Then make a crease. Then fold back. Then open it. You will have this. Then you will take this corner and pull it up. Then you will see this corner will want to go inside. So we just need to put it along it and put them inside. It's a little tricky. Then you do here too. Then you will have this. Then you open this flap and put this up here. Then you close it. You pull it out a little bit. Then you make a crease. Then you do it the same too. Now you will have something like this. Then I will take this right to make a head. You put this inside this. You open it and put it inside. Then you crease it. Then you take it out a little bit. Then you have a head. Then you need to take the wing down. Take the wing down like this. Neck is close to the head a little bit. Then you close it down. You do with the other flap too, the other wing. Then you take it up. Then you will have a flapping bird. Yeah. This is the flapping bird. I hope you can do it right. Bye bye.